Hi, I'm Ted Burdett from Ironwood Cookware.
Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. I'm heating up some lunch. I'm going to take this and put it in a hot oven.
Cast iron is a super versatile tool to have in your kitchen, but a lot of people are intimidated by cast iron maintenance. Most of the things that you can do at home to mess up your cast iron are just as easy to fix. I've taken this cast iron pan and put a little water in it before I put it away to intentionally rust the surface. And I'm going to show you how to take that rust off and re-season your pan so that it's good as new. So the first step is to take off the rust. We can use a few simple tools, a Scotch-Brite pad, soft steel wool, and for areas where you really need to scrub, a wire brush is perfect. I think that I used to scrub various parts of my diesel Mercedes with this. So we simply scrub away at the rust, give it a little elbow grease. Scrub off that surface rust until you see the bare iron with that silver color. And that's when we're done. So the second step, once you're done scrubbing that rust off, is to thoroughly wash the pan with warm water, soap, and a sponge. After the pan is washed, you want to just take paper towels or a towel and thoroughly dry it off. We just want to get all of the water off. Most of the time that you've got rust on a pan, it's only going to be in a little area where there was a little water left over and the pan was put away. So it's really easy to fix. After the pan is thoroughly dried off, we're going to add a little bit of grapeseed oil to it, rub it around in a very thin layer, and then we're going to put it in the oven to season. You only need a little bit of oil on the surface to re-season the pan. I like to use a little sprayer bottle to get a couple of drops on and wipe it really thin into a very thin film, all over the cast iron. Get those little things out of there. Now that we've got this fully oiled all over, we're going to put it into the oven at high temperature with a sheet underneath it to catch any drips. The beauty of cast iron is that it is completely oven safe and completely stovetop safe. Just remember to use a hot pad or something like that so you don't burn it out of your hand. Smoke. Good as new. Shall we make pancakes?